Hello guys, it's Sanctuber here. I'm doing that pack opening now. I didn't say what that was packed because that legendary Larry Fitzgerald is in there and it's gonna be ending tomorrow, so I'm just gonna do it right now. Have 10 packs and let's get started. First we'll go with the hometown showdown packs. Main curse, that's not really that good, but he's a good receiver in the actual team. Alright, let's do it again. That's not really good either, but I honestly don't think you can pull a loose out of these. You might, but probably not. We'll go with I guess the football outsiders. There is a chance you can pull an elite out of these, I'm not sure. And let's go! 88 overall OG. Alright, let's go with the pull pack now. I really like to pull the Larry Fitzgerald or elite. I think I have that. My brother pulled a 90 punt return and Jody Brown premium pack. Keep on with this. Yeah, I'm having really good pack luck today. I haven't really had any with elites. No packs. Let's play this. Orange base gold. It's pretty good. Fast. Last thing, let's hope we get something good. 25,000, that's good, that's good for me. Alright, thanks for watching, please like, subscribe.